Hey there, I'm Sarah from WTI. Are you looking for a stable shower stool that's also small enough to fit in a very small space? I was, and that's why I was so happy to find this one from OasisSpace. So I love the fact that it was incredibly easy to put together. It requires no tools, which means if you're traveling with it, that's even better because you don't have to bring anything special with you. The nuts and bolts are very simple to put together and just hand tighten. Because it comes completely apart, I was able to fit it easily in my suitcase, and it's small enough so I was able to put it in a very small shower on the cruise that I was on. I wanted it for the cruise because I knew I wouldn't be stable enough with my leg inside the shower, and I'm really happy because it's so adjustable. Even though it's small, the legs give you lots of different options for height, and I really like those rubber feet that makes them really stable. There's one more thing I love about this shower stool, and that's the fact that it has a rotating top. So that means that if I need to turn, I'm not just sliding across the stool, but I'm actually spinning. Now it doesn't spin super easily, but it does spin, which means if I have to reach something, I don't have to bend backwards. I can actually turn on the stool, and that makes it incredibly useful. This shower stool is small enough to fit in a very small space. It's fully adjustable and very strong. It has a 300-pound capacity. I love the rotating top. It doesn't rotate too quickly when I'm sitting on it, but it gives me enough rotation so that I can reach things without getting hurt. And I love the fact that it comes apart easily and goes together without any tools. It's everything I was looking for in a shower stool, and that is my point of view.